Hi Aquarius, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of March 2021. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. For Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Aquarius, the card at the bottom of the deck is Four of Cups. Right now, what I'm getting with by the energies of your card is a lot of remorse and regret over whatever's happened in the past. You feel as if you missed out on something or things should have been different than what they were in the past. But Aquarius, you're not seeing some new opportunities coming your way. You are too bothered about what is gone and what doesn't serve you than seeing what is being offered to you and what is meant for you. There has been a change of energies around you when it comes to love. Something did end in the past and it has left you feeling regretful and sad. But I also see a new beginning after you've moved on. After a situation has ended, there is a new dawn that awaits you. It could be an earth sign individual, Virgo, Taurus, or a Capricorn, that you are being pushed towards, or you will be getting an opportunity, not an opportunity, but an offer, a romantic offer from an earth sign individual. It could be a Scorpio as well, a Gemini. Number 6, 4, 8, and 5 and 10 are very important. So keep a lookout for them. I see energies are moving towards more positive things and events in your life. A lot of communication is coming your way from an outside individual. You've got the Three of Swords and you've got the Strength card. Why do you have the Three of Swords? Okay, alright. Well, you've got the Knight of Cups at the bottom of the deck over here, and you've got the Knight of Cups here. Aquarius, what I feel is, in the recent past, you were involved with somebody who put you through a third party situation. That situation ended, resulting in a painful isolation that you went through. This person wants to come back to you to offer you a new beginning and an apology. They want to show you how they've changed and evolved as a person. But there is also somebody new who's coming into your life to give you that much needed strength, love, compassion, care, loyalty that you truly deserve, Aquarius. So there are two people who are coming into your life, one from the past, the other from the present or future. You could be tempted to go back to the one who gave you that pain because sometimes we are more comfortable with the person who we've known, even though they're the ones who caused us the maximum amount of pain, rather than going ahead and giving a new person a chance. You've got Six of Water as well. Somebody from your past wants to come back and give you a new beginning. With Capricorn, are you going to take it? Aquarius. Could be a Capricorn person that you're dealing with, but Aquarius, are you going to take it? Number 15 and 8 could be important. Let's see some extra messages for you. These may or may not be directly related to your tarot. Yes, 27 and 7 could be important. You might be getting an acceptance letter or a phone call or an email that says that your job has been confirmed, your application to a university has been confirmed, or somebody could be sending you a marriage card, a wedding card, or a text or a mail or anything that contains an offer to a new beginning. Aquarius. Energies are changing, Aquarius. Energies are really changing around you and for the better. Recovery from ill health or recovery of money, recovery of a property, recovery of a case, a judicial case, recovery of a relationship. I feel you guys are questioning everything that is coming your way. Sometimes you just need to see things as they are and let things unfold. Also, if you feel something isn't suiting your energies, don't hold on to it. Just let it go and see how you feel once that thing, person, situation, job, place is out of your life. Vulnerability. Number 34 could be important. Aquarius, if you're feeling vulnerable or you're feeling exposed to a lot of negativity, you just need to isolate yourself and try and be with yourself till you feel better. Yes, what you're asking about is the truth. These are extra messages, so they may not resonate with everyone. General reading, so yeah, take it however it resonates with you. And if you feel this is not your story, do check out your other placements. I have uploaded readings for other signs on my page. A time to give rather than take. Conclusions are within reach. Work through your fears. Your commitment is being tested. And take time to breathe out. Yes, meditation is important. Just see what your triggers are. Work on what you need to release. Don't hold on to things that don't serve you anymore. Virgo, Scorpio could be important. Taurus could be important. Cancer could be important to you. The more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. Aquarius, I'd like to dedicate this beautiful lapis lazuli download to you so that you can download all the happiness, health, wealth, and success into your life, and may your life give you a million reasons to smile. I hope you enjoyed this reading, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. Bye.